How long until the dog scratches at the door?
3 seconds. Totally right. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all gonna be about the FabFitFun Box. This is my first one and I wanted to open it in front of you guys. Now I'm gonna figure out how to open this without scissors. First things first, when you go to like sign up for like the FabFitFun Box, which this was a Christmas present from Michael's mom, so shout out to Kara for getting this for me. But first you have to go on and like do all like these tests of like if you're really into makeup or hair or fitness. Like what was the other things, Michael? It was like jewelry, if you were into like silver or gold. Yeah. And like stuff like that, and of course like you have like 5 columns and it says like you love it, you like it, either way, and then like the back it was like absolutely not, and like of course if you know me the fitness was like absolutely not. But okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up, and I don't even know what this is, but that thing on top might be like a magazine. Alright, this is the 2017-2018 editor's box, so I'm guessing this is what this box theme is. I don't even know what this is. Is this like a magazine? Oh, it's kind of like a magazine, like a newspaper, almost like. I'm not gonna read that right now, maybe later. All right, and then you get a card that says what's in this box. So they have prices on here and it tells you kind of like what is in all of this. So I'm just gonna leave this out and then I'll reference it. But it just has like tissue paper. I'm gonna open that. Ooh. They make it look so like, voila! Alright, well, I already know what this is because when you register for your FabFitFun Box, like you can pick like some things compared to like others, but I know I definitely picked this because you either got, like this is the BB Dakota Poncho in black or charcoal, and I think I got the charcoal one because like the black one looks a little bit darker on this card. But I picked out one of these because I don't have like a full poncho. I have like long sweaters, but I don't have like a poncho yet, and of course I'm gonna open it. And it's so soft. I wonder if you can use it like, whew, wait. See, this is why I haven't had a poncho yet because I don't know how to put it on. Alright, I think it's like this. I think it's like this. This should make sense, right? Right? I think that's it.
Looks like a sheet.
It's not a sheet. I like it so far. And it's gray, so it goes with a bunch of my wardrobe because I seriously only wear black and black and like dark colors. So having a gray poncho is definitely good to mix with everything else. Alright, I'm just gonna put that on the ground. Alright, next thing I'm going to look at this. This is the Rose Hip in Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask. Do you want, it's punny, it starts with do. I didn't understand it, I had to like read it over like 3 times, but it's a pun. And it says, do you want instant refresh, hydrated, and luminous skin? Yes, sign me up. I don't know, should I open these stuff? Should I open this kind of stuff or just like feel it?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, I'm gonna try it. Ooh, this is like a big nozzle. That was kind of weird. It's like a pop out. Okay. Okay, this is a mask, so I don't really want to test it out, but I'll test it like on the back of my hand, just like a little dab, because I just want to feel like it's moisturizing or kind of whatnot. It smells like a gel mask. I feel like a lot of like masks and stuff like that, it just all smell the same. I don't know how to describe it. I feel like this smell describes like if you walk into Bathroom Body Works and you just get that of smells of like all the smells together. I think that's what it smells like. But it still smells good. It doesn't smell bad. Like I'm not saying that it smells bad. I'm just saying that it has a scent to it. All right, this is the African Botanics. This is the therapy gel. I'm guessing it's another face mask. Oh, wait. It says soothe sore, tired muscles with African Botanics therapy gel. So like, Michael is starting to make me work out because our wedding's in 8 months and he wants us to look good for it. He's sitting over there, so I'm giving him glares because I am sore every day now. But, this is not for your face. This is for your whole body. Oh, how do you undo this? This is a screw. All right, you're supposed to put this on sore muscles. So I'm gonna have you. Ooh. It smells kind of like funny. I'm trying to think what it smells. It smells like my whitening, like liquid.
For your teeth?
Yeah. Isn't that weird?
It's probably strong.
Oh, it's probably medicated because if it does like sore muscles, it's probably really medicated. But I like the smell of mint and stuff like that, so.
Does it smell like icy hot?
Kind of. Like, come smell this. Come smell it. What does it smell like?
It smells like icy hot.
It smells like kind of like icy hot. Well, it should make sense because it's for sore muscles. This came in handy. I guess they knew that I was going to be starting to work out.
No one knew that.
No one knew that. So, especially when I answered, I don't like fitness at all. But I'm gonna actually use that and see, like today I stretched at my desk and my calves, both of them started cramping and I was freaking out. They hurt so bad. Next thing, I don't know how to say this brand name. Spongel?
Sure.
Spongel, maybe. I don't know. It literally says sponge and then it adds an LLE at the end with a little apostrophe on it. Spongel.
Spongele.
Spongele. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. So this is a body wash infused with buffer. What does that mean? Infused with buffer. Oh. Oh, I get it. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is like an all-in-one type. So it's body wash, I'm guessing, in here, and then you wet it, and then you like kind of like scrub your body down. That's kind of cool. It is like a loofah, but it already has soap in it. All right, next thing. This is makeup drop. It already says makeup in it. I know I'm gonna like it. Makeup drop. Silicone makeup applicator. Seriously, my next try on first impressions was going to be a sponge. A silicone sponge. And I just got one. So maybe I'll test like which one's better or whatnot. This is makeup drop, don't waste a drop. The original silicone makeup applicator. Let's see where you wrote the box. I want to feel what it feels like. Oh, that's better quality. Wow, this thing's thick. I like the feel of these. I could probably sit here and just like play with it all day. But this is thick. This is really thick. Okay. I'll try it later. All right, next thing is this Summer in Rose. This looks like a jewelry box, which I'm sure it is. Let's open it up. Oh, they got it right. Silver. Silver's my color. Or metal. Yeah. Well, that's pretty. I'm not usually a necklace wearer, but I wanted to start getting more necklaces and actually try to be fancy when I dress up every day. So this will be added to that, my start of my fanciness. All right, what is this black tube? Himalayan.
That was right.
Himalayan?
Himalayan.
Himalayan. I don't know why, it's been a long day. Okay, and I already suck at pronouncing things and reading, so just don't judge. Himalayan salt, which this goes in your bath, I know that for a fact. Ooh, it's rose gold, Michael. I can't describe any of these scents. They don't smell bad, it was just like strong. I wonder if it has like a scent to it. Alright, what does that smell like?
It kind of smells like something from Bath and Body.
Lotus salt. Did you get that like
It's
fruity?
like citric.
That's what I was thinking too, like citrus. I don't know. But it doesn't smell like an orange. What does grapefruit smell like? Is that acidic? Grapefruits are gross. Okay. Well. Moving on. Alright, I think this is the last thing. Yep, this is the last thing. Real Her. This is the brand, I think that's how you say it, unless they say it something fancy way. Oh, there it is. Real Her Eyeshadow Palette. Do your squats. Why is everyone trying to get me to work out? I don't like working out, people. Alright. Hugh won't believe your eyes. Another pun. Spelled H-U-E. Featuring richly pigmented shadows and sexy combinations, these long-wearing crease-resistant colors are perfect for creating both natural, daytime, and dramatic night looks. Alright, I'm opening this up since this is kind of like a beauty channel. I'm going to open it and see how beautiful these shades are that they're describing. I don't know. Oh, Real Her donates a part of profits to nonprofit organizations that advance equality for women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, and education and research. That's nice. I didn't know that. Here we go. Real Her Shadow Palette. Do your squats too. Looks like. These are some nice shades. This green even kind of matches my skin tone right now. Not my skin tone, my vest. Oh my gosh, I need to go to bed. I seriously need to go to bed. So that concludes the box. I like everything. I really do like everything, and I can't wait to try out all these new products. And maybe I'll show them in videos, maybe I won't. I'm not gonna promise anything, but thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!